Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevrolet Traverse and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is not powering up, or if there is no sound coming from the speakers, or if your DVD player is not working. This video should apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. Now all the radio fuses will be located in the passenger cabin just under the glove box. To access the fuse box, you'll want to lower down this plastic cover. So what you have to do, just have to kind of pull it down and open it up. And here you'll get access to all of the fuses. Okay, I will try to record this the best I can and try to squeeze my phone inside. There's not too much space. Okay, the first fuse you want to check will be a 10 amp red fuse located right here, and this is the fuse responsible for power to the radio display. Just under that fuse, the blue 15 amp fuse, this is your main radio fuse. You will check this one in case there is no power coming to the radio, so if the radio doesn't power up. And under that one, 10 amp red fuse, this is the fuse responsible for the infotainment system. So you will check this one in case your DVD player in the back is not working. And the last fuse will be this big 30 amp one, the green one. And this is the fuse responsible for power to the amplifier. So you will be checking this fuse in case there is no sound coming from the speakers. And hopefully one of these fuses will be burnt out, and just by replacing it, that will fix your problem. If not, you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics, maybe pull out the radio, check all the connections behind the radio, and things like that. But most often, one of the fuses is the cause for all the problems. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.